As a realtor, you know that effective networking is the key to capturing, nurturing, and closing deals. But traditional networking methods are becoming less and less effective with the increasing shift toward online engagement. So, for instance, here's a question for you. What is the most common practice when you meet a prospective client for the first time? Well, after the conversation is over, most likely you swap business cards, right? But that's it. You're probably never going to hear from your trusty business card. There is no way to track their efficacy. And if your contact details changed after sharing, then there's also no way that your existing recipients can get that. You can only share so much information on a 3.5 by 2-inch space. No websites, no social profiles, no other details. Plus, your prospects must manually save your contact info, and so should you from their cards, which is a tedious process. These drawbacks lead to an inconvenient, ambiguous, and slow networking experience between realtors and their clients. So, what can you do to kick the guesswork out and do data-driven networking? Well, the solution is Beacon Stack digital business cards. Hi, I'm Margot, and today we're going to talk about how Beacon Stack's digital business cards are an absolute necessity to change your real estate game. Oh, and if you haven't already, start a 14-day free trial with Beacon Stack. You're going to need it for the next part. So, based on the challenges that realtors like you face in the real world with paper cards, Beacon Stack's digital business cards cater to 4 essential needs. 1, the ability to edit the business card's content anytime in the back end. Every single change is automatically reflected in the cards that you've already shared with others. 2, track client engagement and fine-tune your networking efforts based on real-time data and never miss a potential lead. 3, share more than just your basic contact details. Add multimedia content like property photos and videos to impress your clients with a rich and interactive experience. 4, retarget and recapture interested clients with the help of Google and Facebook. This enables targeted follow-ups that increase your chances of closing deals. Now, without further delay, let me go ahead and show you how to make your very own digital business card with Beacon Stack. You ready? Let's do it. All right, now that you signed up to Beacon Stack, go to your dashboard and click Create. Choose your preferred digital business card template. On the Setup tab, fill in all the fields under the Profile Information section. Now, your profile information includes the basics such as your name, headshot, company name and logo, and professional summary. Now, you can add your contact details. Add your phone numbers, email addresses, website links, and Google Maps location. Then add all of your relevant social media handles under the social links section. You can add literally 20 plus social media links with their corresponding icons. This feature is awesome. You also have the option to include a custom URL. Then click Next. You can customize your e-business cards visuals on the Design tab to match your branding. So choose from a wide variety of font styles and sizes. You can adjust the color aspects. It is fantastic. Now here, you can also reselect a different layout over the one that you initially chose in case you change your mind, because that happens to me all the time. Click Next to go to the Launch tab. This tab is where you get to enable features that can positively impact your networking efforts. You can enable the essential networking features that you require here. So, once you have enabled your preferred functionalities, go ahead and click Finish. You can now begin sharing your digital business card. That's right, congrats. Also, pro tip, you can send your digital business card to your Apple or Google Wallet so it becomes ready for instant and contactless sharing with your clients. Beacon Stack offers a feature-rich platform that allows real estate companies and agents to create and centrally manage digital business cards at scale, such as you can turn on Download on Scan to avoid bandwidth issues. This setting optimizes and compresses your digital business card, and this ensures that it loads quickly on mobile devices, even with low bandwidth. Now, while others struggle to share their virtual cards, you can seamlessly share your Beacon Stack digital business card with prospects without any interruptions. Enable instant two-way contact sharing, making it effortless for your clients to save your info and go ahead and get in touch. Measure the impact of your event networking initiatives with the help of BeaconStack's analytics dashboard. This allows you to optimize your strategy for better results. Now, you can also make networking at real estate events truly interactive. You can capture prospects' attention and leave a lasting impression. You're going to appear professional, well-prepared, and tech-savvy, setting yourself apart from all of the competitors. Through Apple and Google Wallet sharing, two-way contact sharing, lead management, and card scan tracking and analytics, you can handle all of your business card activities through a single dashboard with BeaconStack. It is the coolest ever. Rest assured, our solution prioritizes enterprise-grade security measures, and it safeguards your networking initiatives and client data. These advanced capabilities make BeaconStack one of the best digital business card solutions in today's market. So Realtors, it is time to step into the future of networking with BeaconStack digital business cards. Go ahead and start your 14-day free trial right now with BeaconStack. I know you're going to love it. You are going to unlock a whole world of seamless, interactive, and effective networking for your real estate business. The link is in the description below, of course. Now, if you want to join thousands of satisfied realtors who have already experienced the difference that BeaconStack can make, go ahead and click the link in the description to watch a comparative video of the best digital business card solutions and let BeaconStack be your ultimate digital business card partner. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting know-how about digital business cards. This has been a blast. Thank you so much for joining us today. We look forward to helping you reach new heights in your real estate business. Happy networking!